Jakarta. Bila dibandingkan dengan waktu saya kecil dulu, sudah banyak sekali perubahannya. Mulai dari padatnya gedung-gedung tinggi di tengah kota, hingga kemacetan akibat lalu lalang para pelaju yang mencari pundi rupiah. Akan tetapi, perubahan yang saya maksud ini tidak melulu yang buruk. Banyak juga contoh perubahan yang justru membuat hidup menjadi lebih baik. Perkembangan yang terjadi di Jakarta tidak terlepas dari dulunya Jakarta. Seperti apa sebenarnya ibu kota Indonesia ini pada masa dulu? Ingin sekali saya kembali ke masa itu dan menjadi penontonnya. Rasa penasaran saya kepada masa lalu Jakarta membawa saya ke kawasan Kota Tua, di mana terdapat salah satu pelabuhan yang menjadi pusat perdagangan di Nusantara pada masa lalu. Karena letaknya yang strategis, maka banyak bangunan penting bagi pemerintahan masa itu yang didirikan di kawasan yang menjadi cikal bakal kota Jakarta ini. Mata saya tertuju pada salah satu bangunan yang masih kokoh dan tegap berdiri. Saya yakin bahwa bangunan ini sangat penting keberadaannya pada saat itu. Ya, bangunan ini adalah gedung The Javasche Bank yang kini sudah berganti nama menjadi Museum Bank Indonesia setelah Indonesia merdeka. Sejenak, saya menghayati arsitektur museum ini. Indah sekali. Sebuah gambaran perubahan dari masa ke masa yang menuju ke arah lebih baik. Melangkahkan kaki ke dalam bangunan ini, kedatangan saya disambut oleh Pak Galih. Beliau yang menemani saya berkeliling di museum ini untuk memberi ilmu yang lebih dalam. Belajar bukan hanya persoalan membaca, tetapi melihat secara langsung peninggalan sejarah dapat menambah wawasan dan pengetahuan kita, apalagi ditambah dengan imajinasi kita yang tanpa batas. Museum ini memiliki banyak ruang yang membuat saya tercengang ketika melihatnya, seperti ruang emas moneter, ruang numismatik, hingga ruang diorama yang menampilkan perjalanan sejarah perekonomian negeri ini. Bukan hanya itu, saya pun terkagum dengan deskripsi evolusi uang hingga sejarah berkembangnya bank syariah. Sumber informasi syarat makna ini tidak mungkin saya sia-siakan tanpa belajar darinya. Menjadi penulis selalu menggugah saya untuk bertualang lebih jauh. Masih banyak dinding saksi bisu perjuangan negeri yang harus saya pelajari sebagai wawasan yang harus saya wariskan. Minimal untuk diri sendiri yang nantinya saya harap bisa dibagikan kepada yang lain. Jakarta, 14 Maret 2018, saya, Anak Bumi Pertiwi.
Hello everyone, how are you? Must be healthy, right? Here I will take you on a tour to museum in Jakarta. Does anyone know what museum we want to visit? Yes, that's right. This time we will visit the Indonesian Bank Museum. Have any of you ever visited this museum before? Isn't this museum really cool? Yes, it must be good. This museum is made so that we know to the history of space Indonesia. Before we dive deeper into this museum, it's a good idea to introduce myself to you guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Timothy Dwi Putra Gautam. You can call me Timo. Okay, let's continue. Let's walk to the museum. Let's go. Our journey starts at the Jakarta Kota Station. This station has been used by the people of Jakarta since the Dutch colonial era. And from this station, we can see one of the architectural buildings that were built in that era. Okay, let's walk out through the exit, guys. Okay, guys, we are now in the north doorway. On the left side of the road, there is a museum. The name of the museum is the Mandiri Bank Museum. Okay, let's continue walking. We will continue to follow the north big door until we find the Bank Museum that we will visit. The Bank Indonesia Museum is on the left side of the road, friends. Okay, time to go inside. We are now in the museum. To be precise, we were already in the lobby area. In this area, you can buy tickets which are quite affordable, which is around 5,000 rupiah for one visitor. If you bring a student card when visiting this museum, you can get tickets for free. Wow, fun isn't it? If we look more closely, the lobby architecture is not that far from the one at the station. Well, before we delve deeper into this museum, it's a good idea to take a look at the floor plan of this museum. Now you can see this is the first floor plan, which includes a multi-purpose, a printing, and a money circulation room, a printing and money circulation room, and there is also a cafe. On the second floor, you can see for yourself and understand carefully. For your information, if we want to go from room to room, don't forget to leave our goods in the place provided. Don't worry, your stuff will be safe, and you don't have to worry if you want to bring your phone and take picture. It's still okay. We can use this room as an educational room for visitors, and the function of this room is in accordance with the vision of the mission of the Bank Indonesian Museum itself, which is to educate the public about space in Indonesia. We are now in the visitor center area. In the lobby area, we already booked tickets, and in the visitor center area, we have to validate the tickets we booked earlier. Not only for validating tickets, in this area there is also unique object, namely a cashier that existed in the past which is still here. It is still well maintained. Okay, let's go to the next room. Now we are in the area where the content is about the history of money in Indonesia to the metamorphosis of the Indonesian bank logo. There are various kinds of money that have circulation in our country. For example, there are ori and orida, not only various kinds of money. Here there is also a metamorphosis form of the logo of Bank Indonesia. The logo which was originally DJB or the Javaske Bank, thanks to Bank Indonesia, or what we often know as BI. And that room there is a story of Indonesians' journey to a modern state. It happened in the area from 1953 to 1959. Okay, let's see the next room. Now we are in room containing people's relic that occurred during the crisis that hit our country. The crisis occurred in 1998. In corner of the room there is an ATM machine that was used when Indonesian people panic and withdraw all their money from the bank. Okay, go on. We went out through to the door over there. And now we are about to enter a very nice room, namely the governor room. In this room, the governor of Bank Indonesia does his work, or in this room, the governor holds meetings with other or with staff. Okay, on to the next room. We are in the last room, guys. We are in the gold storage room. This is where people save in the form of gold and save Indonesian banks. Okay, let's get out of this room. If we are in the field below, the view is very good when we see the architecture of the Indonesian Bank. Okay, now we will return to the Museum of Bank Indonesia. We are finally at the end of our tour. If you want more information about this museum, you can visit the official website of the museum. I will give the website link in the description box. Okay guys, our tour is now over. If during this tour I say the wrong word, I apologize. See you again, friends. See you.